Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. Let's say you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on guys, and you have any of the following codes guys. I'm talking about code P2110, P2111, P2113, P2118 or P2119 guys. If you have any of these codes, we will explain most likely what causes that, how to fix it. Make sure you stay until the end. It could be multiple things guys, and we're going to cover all that today. In addition, we will explain which computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you constantly ask me that in the comment section below, and with the help of that computer you can read the lead codes from every computer in your car, you can see live data, and you can use it on almost any car in the world guys. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we are working on. So let me explain quick what we need to do now guys. This is the throttle body out of this Hyundai Sonata. It's right here usually guys. Every time you remove throttle body or work close to it, disconnect the car battery, because that radiator fan is right here, and if it activates it can cut your hands off guys. On these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the engine computer, cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers, and that could be super expensive to fix. So things to check if you have any of these codes. Check guys the wiring harness for the throttle body. Make sure it's not broken, make sure all the wires are good, make sure it's contacting good and you don't have any corrosion. Another thing, you want to make sure that this throttle body is not dirty. A sticking throttle body can cause any of these codes guys. Check out now, I want to show you what we have specifically right here. This throttle body guys, you can see half of it, we clean it, and the other half it's not cleaned. If you want to see how to clean properly throttle body, we have the video on the channel how to clean throttle body on Hyundai Sonata. Go ahead, do that guys. It can solve your problem in many cases. Now if you need to remove or replace the throttle body, we have the video on the channel and it explains what else you need to replace and what else you need to do, because if you don't do it the right way you can damage your engine. But it's practically simple guys, you just need to follow a few steps. What else can cause that? Before we continue, let me tell you guys, this is the computer that we're using. Maxicom. Now it works almost on any car you can think of guys. It's amazing computer. You can see how many cars it supports. Here it's a Hyundai. Now we don't have it practically connected, because you can select it or manually do it, but you can read the lead codes from every computer system and module in your car, so it can pay itself off in one-time use guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you have any of these codes, not very often, but sometimes you may have something else that causes that problem. And this is the device that controls the throttle body. This is your accelerator pedal, but guys, right here. You can see it's electronics. Check the wiring harness, make sure it's good. Make sure it's communicating good, make sure it's working. We have a special video that explains how to test that throttle pedal, and you can do that with that computer as well guys, and we have the video on the channel. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below how to test throttle pedal on Hyundai Sonata. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having any of those problems. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.